Rapper Blueface has been ordered to pay about $13.1 million in damages to the owner of the shuttered Las Vegas strip club Euphoric Gentlemen's Club, who said that the rapper's involvement in a shooting outside the venue a year ago led to the venue's closure a month later. The musical artist, 26, earlier this month was sentenced to up to 3 years probation in his plea deal in an attempted murder case stemming from the October 8, 2022 shooting outside of the since-closed strip club, which left a man with injuries to his hand. The Thotiana artist made headlines Sunday as he attended the Los Angeles Rams home game at SoFi Stadium, where he was pictured throwing wads of cash in his luxury box as scantily-clad women danced, and proposed to his girlfriend Jaidyn Alexis. The outing came a day after a Las Vegas judge ordered Blueface to compensate the owner of the establishment damages of almost $13.1 million. The financial total in the judgment against the musical artist, whose real name is Jonathan Jamal Porter, was attributed to lost revenue and other costs as a result of the fallout of the shooting, local CBS affiliate 8 News now reported Monday after reviewing court documents. Lawyers for the owner of the establishment filed legal papers against the musical artist on December 29, 2022, about 2.5 months after the shooting had occurred, the outlet reported. The strip club owner's legal team said that the venue was closed down as a direct result of Blueface's negligence, or reckless conduct in the October 8, 2022 shooting. Less than a week later, the lawyers said that the club's licenses were revoked, making it impossible for business as usual to continue, as the establishment would be closed the following month. The strip club owner cited claims of nuisance, indemnification and contribution, and declaratory relief in his complaint to the court, who subsequently awarded him $13,072,482, TMZ reported. The outlet said expenses in $84,000 toward employee payroll and $198,000 in expenses tied to the lease of the property were also factored into the final total. Blueface, who has been named in a pair of civil cases tied to the incident, failed to file an opposition in the proceedings, 8 News now reported, after the strip club owner asked last week for a summary judgment. Blueface earlier this month was sentenced after he entered a guilty plea to battery and discharging a firearm in connection with last year's shooting this past July. Prosecutors agreed to dismiss charges of attempted murder and owning a gun by a prohibited person in a plea deal, according to KNTV. Clark County District Court Judge Kathleen E. Delaney sentenced the Los Angeles native to up to 36 months of probation, in which he is prohibited from possessing any weapons or using alcohol or drugs. He is also prohibited to stay away from the Las Vegas Strip and downtown Las Vegas unless he has work obligations in the area.